Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share my honest review and opinions about the 99 Books e-cart haul that the 9999 mystery box, mixed fiction box I've received from them yesterday, and now I'm showing you the review of it. And honestly speaking, I'm not so much happy with them, but I will surely show you unboxing of the video of unboxing the product of order I received. और मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा impressed तो नहीं हूँ, but the books are quite nice and quite disappointing for me. So let's start the unboxing of the order I received. So I received in a very terrible condition this box, like tears from so many sides and very untidily packed, and all these books are like, I don't know how they pack them, or I'm just trying to open it. Okay, this will take long, so let me show fast how open it. सो मैंने बहुत टेरेबली खोला है. इट्स ओके थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि बॉक्स भी ऐसी था और टेरेबली खोला है तो. बट द थिंग इज़ दीज आर द बुक्स placed in a very odd manner, and I'm not fond of their packaging, like how they send me the books. I will show you a little bit like a short description of the books in the video. सो मैंने आपको 99 बुक्स कार्ट का छोटी सी अनबॉक्सिंग तो दिखा दी, क्योंकि अगर मैं पूरी अनबॉक्सिंग दिखाती तो इट विल बी वेरी टेरेबल फॉर मी टू डू द होल अनबॉक्सिंग थिंग. सो मैंने छोटे वीडियो में, छोटे ड्यूरेशन में आपको पूरी अनबॉक्सिंग दिखा दी है, और मैं एक बार एंड वीडियो के एंड में भी आपको अच्छे से एलेबोरेट करके दिखा दूँगी ये बुक्स की क्या कंडीशन मुझे एक्चुअली मिली थी. एंड देन आई करेक्टेड देम इन फ्यू मैनर्स, लाइक पेज फोल्डेड थे तो उनको ठीक कर दिया है. थोड़े से मार्क्स रब करने की कोशिश करें कि जो मार्क्स हैं, बट कुछ मार्क्स ऐसे भी हैं जो मैंने अभी तक रब नहीं करे हैं, तो आई विल शो यू देम टुडे ऑल्सो विद द सेम रिव्यूइंग ऑफ द बुक, विद द सेम शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द बुक्स. तो फर्स्ट बुक जो मेरे पास यहाँ पर है, ये द डॉक्टर्स सन. दिस इज़ बाय लॉरा मैकडोनल्ड एंड दिस इज़ अ मेडिकल रोमांस बुक. सो ये बुक आप इसकी कंडीशन देख सकते हैं. इट हैज़ अ वेरी रिमार्केबल कंडीशन, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा रिमार्क्स हैं, स्पाइन पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा, एंड थोड़ा यहाँ से टीयर भी है ये, और बैक पे भी मार्क्स है. तो कंडीशन तो बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं है. आई एम नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद द कंडीशन, बट द बुक हैज़ समथिंग अ डिफरेंट प्लॉट, जो मैंने अभी तक ऐसा प्लॉट नहीं पढ़ा है. और ये प्लॉट काफ़ी यूनिक है, बट काफ़ी हार्ट ब्रोकिंग टाइप है. इट्स दे सेड दैट इट्स अ लव स्टोरी, बट इट्स रेदर देन बी अ लव स्टोरी, इट्स अ हार्ट ब्रेकिंग काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो ये जो बुक है, इसमें बताया हुआ है कि a girl was there who got pregnant with the man, and the man ran off, and the girl didn't told him about the baby. So it's all about that kind of stuff. जब मैं पूरा फिनिश कर लूँगी इसका बुक, तो मैं आपको अच्छे से रिव्यू आपको बता दूँगी इस बुक के बारे में. सो नाउ लेट्स टर्न टू द अनदर बुक. दिस इज़ बाय एंथनी ट्रेलोपे, एंड दिस बुक इज़ Penguin Classics, popular classics book published by Penguin Popular Classics, and this is The Warden. It's about a man, sympathetic man life. मेनली लव स्टोरीज होती हैं या कुछ मोरल स्टोरीज होती हैं पेंगुइन पॉपुलर क्लासेस के थ्रू, जो हमें मिलती हैं, जो हमने पढ़ी हैं या पहले. इनकी कंडीशन बहुत अच्छी है. इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट न्यू कंडीशन, लाइक कवर इज़ ऑल्सो गुड एंड स्पाइन इज़ ऑल्सो गुड एंड द बैक इज़ ऑल्सो नाइस. सो आई एम वेरी happy with the condition of the book, and I will surely read it. But the thing is, it also have a very heartbreaking and a struggling life for a person inside the book, which is the warden. And it has a very struggling, sympathetic life with a falling love story. So it will be good and decent story to read. I will not say that it will be a good story for me to read, but I will definitely review the whole book to you. So now come to the next book, and this book is in a terrible condition. So it has a very giant mark here. Like, this is giant for me, dude. I don't like these type of marks in front. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, अगर यहाँ स्टिकर था भी तो उसको हटाने का क्या ज़रूरत थी. ऐसे ही अच्छा लग रहा था या ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता. दिस इज़ बाय मैगी ओफेरल, एंड दिस बुक इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अस. दिस बुक इज़ क्वाइट नाइस बुक. ये 2 सिस्टर्स के ऊपर ये बुक है, एंड सिमिलरली पैरेलल साइड्स पे दिस बुक हैव अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ मैन एंड अ वुमन विच नेवर मीट. एक्चुअली कभी मिले नहीं, बट दे हैव सम सिमिलैरिटीज इन देयर लाइव्स. So it has all the story about it, and that shows the difference between us. So it is a nice book. I will definitely read it, and it's a very, long pages book. So I will review this also. I really like this book, and in a form of description. So next book I'm having, it's there, An Ordinary Soldier by Drug Battle. Not by Drug Battle. This is by A Packet Dawn. The name of this author is really very unique for me. it's actually weird for me. I haven't come across the name of this author, so it's very difficult for me to remember the name of this author. But when I read this and finish this book, I will definitely remember the name of the author. So this book is about the wartime thing, an ordinary soldier, which have some daily mails about the war times and about what the problems he got during the wartime. So it's all about it. Next book I have, there is this Michael Morpurgo, Kensuke's Kingdom by Michael Forman, and this is a children book, but it is a slightly good book, I can say, because it's about the sails and pirates, and I always love sails and pirates. Like if you haven't watched that movie of the Pirates of Caribbean Seas, it is the world's best favorable, I think, pirates movie, I can say. So it's about the pirates and sailors. It also awarded as a children's best-selling novel or storybook. So it's a nice book. I will surely read it जबकि children's की है, but still मैं इसको पढ़ना चाहूँगी because it has all the adventures and it's in good condition. And then Ordinary Soldier is also in a good condition and it is almost new condition. मुझे तो लगता है किसी ने एक ही बार पढ़ी होगी आई गेस, और पता नहीं शायद पढ़ी भी नहीं है, रखी होगी तो उन्होंने सेल आउट कर दी होगी, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि उस टाइप की बुक है. नेक्स्ट बुक आई हैव हियर इज इंट्रिगिंग नाइट्स इन हार्म्स वे बाय लिन स्टोन. So this is also a heartbreaking story. Actually, this is a woman who's suspected as a killer of the person, and the detective falls in love with her. So now detective is confused what to do with the girl. So it's all about that in the story. Next two books which I haven't read yet. सो दिस बुक्स एंड ये जो बुक है और ऐसी एक दो बुक और हैं जो 55 रुपीज़ पे हैं, बट प्रोडक्ट जब मैं ऑर्डर कर रही थी तो उन्होंने बोला था कि दैट बुक विल बी ऑफ 66 रुपीज़. तो या तो ये उन्होंने अंडर प्राइस बुक दे दी है या चीटिंग हुई है या क्या हुआ है, आई डोंट नो. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा 99 बुक्स कार्ड के रिव्यू पे गई थी, बहुत चेक किया था कि एक ऐसी बुक्स देते हैं, और पता भी चला कि मुझे अच्छा लगा उनके रिव्यू सुन के, दैट दे रियली सेंड गुड स्टफ. बट जो उन्होंने मुझे स्टफ भेजा है मोस्टली इट्स हार्ट ब्रेकिंग, एंड आई एम pissed off reading heartbreaking novels, literally. I don't know that most of the writers write heartbreaking things, you know. So whatever, but then these books are having a terrible cover. Actually, I can't show you. I didn't, because this channel is also watched by my parents and my relatives, so I can't show the cover of the book, and I'm not going to read these books because they are not up to my remarking conditions, or not so valuable to put into my bookshelf. So this is not worthy. Really very disappointed with the books they have sent to me. And then I have this by Katie Flynn, An Orphanage Christmas. So this book is nice. ये book अच्छी है. इसकी book दो friends के बारे में है, that's Molly and Lynn, if I रिमेंबर राइट, या मॉली एंड लिन. तो बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है, एक ऑर्फनेज के ऊपर है कि एक जो ऑर्फन है उसको अबैंडन कर देते हैं ऑर्फनेज से, देन हाउ दे बोथ मीट अगेन एंड हाउ दे जस्ट मेक देयर डेस्टिनी विद टुगेदर. So it's all about it, but it's a good book, I think, although it has a struggling life story inside the book, and it's in a good condition, and it's a very बहुत बार रीड किया होगा. आई गेस ये थर्ड बार सेल हुई है या सेकेंड टाइम में. इतना कैसे रीड किया इसको, बहुत फोल्ड कर करके रीड किया हुआ है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिम्स हैं इसमें, बट इट्स ओके, इतना भी चलता है. आई एम ओके विद इट. बट बहुत ज़्यादा जो मार्किंग्स होती हैं एंड जो अटता ही नहीं है अच्छे से, उससे तो आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इट. नाउ द अनदर बुक विच आई एक्चुअली लाइक इज स्विच्ड बाय अमेंडा Hawking. Yeah, this book is nice. It is also a heartbreaking story of a girl which born in a family and gets switched away and or change, you can say. वो तो book पढ़ के पता चलेगा सही से, but मैंने जो description shortly मैंने describe किया है वो ये है that the girl switched by after her birth, right after her birth, and then she trapped in a small town city. Her mother tried to kill her and so many times, and she was so depressed, she was so terrible living her life. Then a visitor come to her, an unknown visitor, and her life suddenly get changed. So it's all about it, and I will review that book because I like the cover of the book. It's just having a mark here, and it's almost new or in good condition, you can say. So the another book I am having is by Anne Baker. These are going to fall down. So the another book I am having is by Anne Baker. This is Wartime Girls. I don't know how many wartime books I have here. So this is Anne Baker, Wartime Girls. this is also about a girl जिसने अपना fiance lost किया था war में, and she was pregnant at that time. She was pregnant with the baby, and she went to her mother for support, and then she finally gets support from his sister, elder sister, which is quite protected and living in a safe side of the country. So it's all about, and it's a nice story, I can say that. Then I have this by Karen Slaughter, Karen Slaughter. This is Pretty Girls, as you can judge by the cover. The Pretty Girls and this, knife and that label and these horror blood thing is. So book की condition तो अच्छी है, you can say book is in the nice condition. It's about a girl who was missing, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से मिसिंग थी. उसकी छोटी बहन जो है, उसकी जो younger sister है, she was trying to find her out, but she didn't find her out. Then the family tore apart, and then the another loss of a missing girl claimed in the city. Okay, एक और kidnapping हुई है, एक और missing girl है. Then she found another missing girl. She found that they are linked together, and when she came across the truth, her life get changed. So it's also a very heartbroken and struggling story. Then I have this by Bernard Knight, Poison Callous, and this is about the racism and torture during the wartime, with the females and with the wives of the knights and these kind of a thing. So it's also a very unique kind of a storybook or novel. But the another thing which is very disappointing for me is that it also have a very ruthless story, so which is I don't like. So next book I have is Simone Sorrow, Under the Eagle. This book is very nicely received by me. So it's like in very good condition. The spine is not broken, and cover is nice, back is nice, but there is one thing. It is also a terrified read, like the wartime read between Germany and Romans, and wartime. I think I'm pissed off having the wartime books in the whole of their packages. They said they will send mixed fiction, and their mixed fictions are all ruthless, struggling, and terrible and terrified and war times. I'm not happy with it. Next I have Stebby. So next I have this by Stebby Neal's Philomena's Miracle. It's also about it's a love story, and it's a classic type of a love story of a girl that she was doing job somewhere and kind of a stuff, which is not interesting for me actually. I will review it once I read it. And this is whole book, like 15 book set I got, and जिसमें से मैंने इतना ही उठा सकती हूँ, बाकी सारी मैंने थोड़ी सी डंप कर दी हैं. बट ओके, आई विल रीड देम ऑल, या फॉर श्योरली वो भी रीड करूँगी जो अच्छी बुक्स नहीं है, जिनके कवर मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आए थे. बट बिकॉज this is also watched by my family and relatives, so that's why. But I will review these one by one, and I'm going to have my exam in this month and in the another month too, next month too. So maybe you will get videos later on, but you will get more and more videos. I will try to upload more and more videos which are short in duration and good in content too. Hope you like the video. If you liked it, then thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel. It only takes 1 minute or 1 second to subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching till then.